Let's go!
Wait, this video was recorded in the middle of my Erasmus, but let me start from the beginning. Me and my friend Yeşim met in Istanbul in order to fly to Berlin. After resting one day in Berlin, we hop into the Baltic bus to the direction of Poznan. And we get into the train from Poznan to my Erasmus city called Konin. Yes, I'm sure it's Konin, not Konin blah blah blah. After settling down in Konin, our first fun experience was buying Happy Meal menu accidentally. Yet later on we bought it on purpose too, in order to get Super Mario to our Mario. That was the moment we felt ourselves as a hero, and we fly high and high from happiness. Stories followed one another and we really enjoyed spending time in Konin. Some people may say what you can do in such a small city, but I think people you met and the time you spend with them makes your Erasmus more entertaining than a city. Shortly, we loved being an Erasmus student in Konin. When it comes to entertaining, we had a party room called Svetlitsa. I hope I pronounced it correctly, and we gathered there like this. Oh, sorry, like this. Like this. Like this. And sometimes outside, like this. When it comes to partying, we enjoyed it like this. Surely, everybody enjoyed it too. After the parties, we were generally tired and we generally preferred to communicate like this. Yes, we are talking about Poland. Of course, we did lie on a frozen lake and enjoyed the snow too.
Let's go!
By the way, all Erasmus students stayed in the same dorm and entered more or less the same courses. And the courses were so entertaining, and we've learned. Yes, that was it. And about our teachers, we all loved them too. When Noel comes to end, I collected reminders to make my first Erasmus unforgettable. And in the end, we all said goodbye to Poland with our favorite Erasmus song by saying
I love Poland, kurwa mać!
Uwaga, uwaga, the rest of the video was recorded for the students who wants to come to Konin. The video was shortly about how to get dormitory from the train station.
And it has two sides, but you have to go this side, over there, that side, and we go down. And turn right. You have to turn right, not left. Right. And we'll be out from here. Halil and Tugay, my friends. Here you can see the map of Konin. Here PKP, it's train station. This. You have to go directly.
Here we can, a circle, but you have to go directly. Left side is like this, right side is like this, but you have to go directly. on this cross, you will see Hotel Konin. Right down here. Hotel Konin.
Here's cross and you can see Hotel Konin. But you have to go to the another side. This side. You have to pass this cross also. The backup bank is just over there. You will need it in the future. This is
Direct.
yes. Now we are next to Rondo. It has swimming pool and bowling also. But we have to go direct. Just drag. We will go directly and we'll get the dorm student 2. Here is also important place because over there is McDonald's. So you can see flying. Here is McDonald's and here is round. We came from this way and you have to go this way. Not directly, you have to go this way.
McDonald's is right in the right hand. On the right hand.
And you have to go in this way. Not this. This way. You have to go.
And there is Autopia and Philadelphia is also there. McDonald's is over there. Over there. You have to go. So across the pizza is here and Philadelphia is somewhere here. we can pass from this test, but going directly is easier for the first time. And we will go directly. We have to go directly from here also. From this stop, after passing this stop, we have to go right. Just from over there. We have to go right. We can go direct also, but going right is best, I guess.
Yes, here we go. We will go right.
We will go right. And after this, we will go left. Like this. We will go left. And directly now. Here you can see Chantier. Chantier is the non-selected 2 address. Yep. There were technical problems for that. We'll go directly. Now, we will perhaps pass from this place.
And here is our university, PWSZ, this block. But we have to go from here. And this is the library, Biblioteca. And here's our university. This block is our university.
We have to go to Biblioteca. We have to go from this place. And we have to go down. This is our.
And this is our dorm.
We have to go down. And this is our dorm. Considerat Sebat. We considerat 2. Pay attention to the girls' friends. We will go directly.
Okay. And here our dorm. And this is our Padik Pajemne. I will put this on YouTube.